Gold against US dollar. This week started with the bearish candle. We can see that after the previous week has closed with the bearish candle going back down to the support level, I was expecting the price will continue to rise value, but the price formed a bearish breakout below and then returned back up, invalidating this bearish breakout as a failed one, and then it was expected the price will continue to rise value again, but the price could not go above, but also could not close the day below. We can see we can see three candles in a row, all indecision candles with a small body with a larger wick on the lower side and a smaller wick on the upper side, except the Friday when the price was trying to make a bullish breakout going above. This is especially visible on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. A weekly time frame has closed as indecision candle. We can see that. And then the month before has closed as a bullish breakout above 2550.00, which was also expected that the price will do. Now the week has started and we can see above that where the next level is. It is not drawn. I will do that in the following days. But this is suggesting a further rise in value for the gold. We can see how the price has behaved and it has reached higher price levels. Now the week shows me indecision candle, which usually means continuation of this previous candle, which means a bullish momentum. But before that happened, we will need to see the price going above this area of support. We can see that right here. After price goes above this area to 672, which is the highest open and close price of these two candles, it will indicate further rise in the value, and we can see that where the next one is 2736.97. Now in between this support level and this resistance level, there are levels in between which I'm sharing with the traders inside trading community on the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame to see more details during the day how the price behaves. If you would like to join, feel free to check the link below where you get also the PDF with the strategy I'm using, because you can see that support and resistance levels and supply demand zones around them are very important, and when the breakout happens it will indicate further rise or drop in value. So this is the strategy I have created and I'm sharing with you inside the PDF. So if you would like to check that PDF, check the link below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.